Hello everyone, my name is Faraj Dofade and I am currently learning CSE at NIT Patna. And today I am going to tell you about how SBM has inspired me to maintain cleanliness in my home, my surroundings, and the environment. Uh, so before SBM, I didn't used to think so much about cleanliness. I always didn't used to give it a thought whenever I used to throw garbage around the streets, chips packets, and used to litter the places. But since SBM has started, I gave more thought to it. It made me self-conscious about cleanliness, and since then, I have become more conscious whenever I throw a garbage anywhere. So whenever I try to throw some things, one, it makes me think twice: should I throw it or not? And in the end, I end up throwing it in the trash can. So basically, this is the first step of the change in my day-to-day life. It has made me more self-conscious about cleanliness than before. Similarly, I have also have got a new habit of not littering. I means whenever I do any activity in which there is a waste product, like sharpening a pencil and other such tasks, I make sure that in the end I throw all the things in the trash can without littering the place. So this helps us to prevent any extra work that you need to do, uh, like cleaning afterwards, etc. And this has changed my life drastically. As you can see, we have bought various new plants. Since the SBM started, we felt like cleanliness. With cleanliness, we should also plant some more, and so we have bought this as they give much fresher oxygen in the morning. I also water them every day in the morning. As you can see in my locality, as you can see, before SBM it was not so clean before, but since SBM has started, everybody started to become conscious about cleanliness, and so they also now clean their surroundings, not just their home. So it's been more cleaner than ever before. I also developed a habit that whenever I'm walking and I see some garbage on the roadside or along my path, I just pick it up and put it in the nearby dustbin. That's how I myself contribute a very little to the cleanliness in the world, but it's a one step forward to the SBM. I think this is how everyone should develop some good habits and collectively should contribute a little to the cleanliness. If everybody in the world just do their best to maintain cleanliness, at least in their surrounding, the world will be a much more cleaner place. Hence, my message to everybody is that first of all, minimize your garbage. That is, avoid to litter as much as possible. And if you see a garbage somewhere, just pick it up and put it in the dustbin nearby. So, as collectively, we as a people and our collective consciousness is more aware of cleanliness and will help in maintaining the world cleaner and make the future better for us. And hence, we can also give inspiration to the younger people or children who are out there. If they see us, they can follow us and they will do the same and maintain cleanliness. Thank you.